Interface has a long history working with several types of users that rely on our products for test and measurement. From pioneering engineers like design and test engineers, to educators working in campus labs, to groundbreaking scientists and innovators finding solutions to complex problems. When it comes down to the roles of engineers, they need to develop, process, combine, and test materials to be used in production across all industries. Force measurement systems make the role of an engineer easier using accurate data. Accuracy of testing and measurement data is fundamental to quality for engineers, and engineers rely heavily on all types of interface high-accuracy load cells, weighing systems, and instrumentation. Our goal at Interface is to help engineers identify the best sensor-related products that we provide that they can use to work through the problems they are seeking to solve.